Hi everybody, it's Marie at RV Camper. I'm just sitting at my campsite in Quartzsite, Arizona. I'm at Tyson Wash, just enjoying the beautiful weather today. So many people are saying, what's in Quartzsite? Why would people want to go there? Why do they flock there every winter? There's a lot of BLM property for you to camp at. It's $180 for 7 months. And that's pretty darn good. And they offer black tank dump, free water. I mean, it's just nice, you know. It's dispersed camping. You can park anywhere you want to. There's grocery stores, gas stations, places that sell propane. There's a lot of things out here. A lot of fast food, hardware store, several places to get your RV fixed. So I drove around, and I'm going to give you a little tour of Quartzsite. So sit back and enjoy. Thank you for watching my videos. This is the laundromat that most of the RVers in Quartzsite use. And this is the adjoining Main Street restaurant. You can go and grab something to eat while your laundry's being done. There's a Family Dollar store and a Dollar General. They have charging stations for your Tesla. There's a Carl's Jr. in Quartzsite, as well as a Burger King, McDonald's, Subway, and Dairy Queen. Silly Al's Pizza is a very popular restaurant in Quartzsite. Good pizza, always crowded. You might want to call ahead and see how long the wait is. And what would a town be without a post office? Coyote Fresh Foods is a great grocery store. They do have fresh meats, produce, beer, wine, ice, and they have water. I'm at Tyson Wash, and this is the garbage dumpster. This is the coolest thing. It is just an awesome system. You drive up this hill, and then you put it in your vehicle in park, get out, get your garbage out, and just throw it over this dumpster. Can you believe it? And then you drive down this little ramp, and that's that. In January, for 2 weeks, this is where the big tent event is going to happen. I was here 3 years ago, and it's great.